Hello, techies. All right, this is comptia 522 lab, and we are going to select and install a network adapter. So we have all our tags here highlighted for us on the left pane. All right, so this is a pretty much straightforward lab. Let's see what we have to do. So you work as an IT administrator for a small corporate network to accommodate specific network communication needs for an upcoming project. You need to upgrade the network connection speed for the Windows workstation located in the executive office. So in this lab, your task is to install the network interface card with the fastest speed into the exec computer. Connect the exec computer to the local area network using the new network card and the appropriate cable. From the workstation's operating system, use the ping command to confirm that the workstation has a connection to the local network and the internet using the following. Local server is going to be IP address 192.168.0.10, and ISP and internet provider is going to be 198.28.2.254. All right, so let's see how we do. All right, so first things first, let's go to the back of this computer and turn this off, and let's go to the motherboard and want to install the expansion card, and this time around it's going to be a network interface. So this is an Ethernet adapter, and this is an Ethernet adapter. Mm. Okay, so let's see the specifications for these. Um, let's see the connectors. Okay, all right, so we need to, let's see the specification for this. The connector is very important, so let's see what the connector looks like. Okay, so let's check the connector for this also. We want to make sure we're using the right tools here. So install the network interface card with the fastest speed into the exec computer. Connect the exec computer to the local internet. Okay, so what we're looking out for is for the fastest speed here, and the fastest speed, of course, in terms of speed, you want to consider fiber optic cable. All right, so we have other cables there also, but in terms of speed, I think fiber optic cable is pretty fast, so we want to select an expansion card that has uh, fiber optic and port option. So that is the reason why we have to check all of the specifications. So if it has to be the fastest speed in the exec computer, I have to connect this. Okay, so let's see. Um, in terms of fastest speed, let's see. Okay, so there's a slot here, and let's go to the front, and not connected. Okay, all right, so this right here is the interface for the fiber optic cable. We also have space for Cat6 and the rest, but I think fiber optic cable is pretty fast. And okay, we have space also for coaxial cable. And okay, so let's go over to the network adapters. So the network adapters we're going to get will be the one that has all of these options. So let's see this, and let's look at the connectors. Okay, this is just Cat6. No. Cat6. Let's plug this in here. Let's plug this in here, and it's now connected. And let's close these, and let's turn this to the back, and let's So we remove this and plug this in here now, and so remove this. Okay, let's highlight this cable here, and the other end. We need to look for the other end of this cable. Okay, so we highlight this, the other end of this cable, um, other end. Okay, all right. So let's see. So for this cable here, we look for the other end of this cable. So let's unplug this, plug this back into its original slot. And this other end. Okay. Um, okay, this end is connected. Connected to where? Okay, so we need to sort out this issue. We need to connect it to this and be used as a dial-up. Um, mm, 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 mm. Okay, so the other end is connected also. So we see connected. This end is connected, and the other end is connected to IP phone. All right. Okay, so it's connected to this IP phone right here. Okay, so we get where the other connection is. So what we want to do is to turn this to the back and remove it. Okay, so this is where it is connected. That is why it's bit confusing earlier. So we will remove this end. Let's see, remove this end, plug it in here, and turn this on, go to the back and front, and let's try to power this on and see how we do. Okay, so we are inside the desktop. Let's go into settings. Um, okay, let's try to ping. So go to PowerShell now, and we have PC config. What do we have? 192.168.0, 192.168.0.46. So we're gonna ping 192.168.0.01. Oh, supposed to be 10 rather. Sorry, dot 10, and let's see how we do. Okay, probably round trip or lost 0. Okay, ping sensitive. Okay, so this is fine. So the next thing we want to do right now is to ping. We want to ping 198. Want to ping 198.28.2.2.254. Okay, so ping, let's see, and this is successful also. So the ping right here is successful, and yeah, I guess that is it. So let's see, everything seems fine. And see, is there anything? Let's go ahead and just try to search anything at random, just to be sure that the internet works. And anything? Oh, okay, so this internet works. Let's see how we do. We go ahead and score lab. Alright, so everything seems fine. So if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Share this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you have further questions, hit me up in the comment section or use the WhatsApp number attached to this video to reach out to me. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your educational journey. Thank you once again, and I will see you in my next